How the wheel spacers work on your Ford Bronco? Ford Bronco wheel spacers can be installed as aftermarket parts. The high-quality Ford Bronco wheel spacers can help the vehicles with more modifications and upgrades, including the brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel adaptation, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. Ford Bronco wheel spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustment, allowing the wheels to be moved outward to a specific position, usually first with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the vehicle. The length of the vehicle will be fuller, giving the vehicle an aggressive and track-filled appearance. Using Ford Bronco wheel spacer allows you to safely fit wider tires on your existing wheels, or upgrade to bigger wheels without rubbing against the frame, wheel assembly, or other suspension components. Improve traction and handling even more. If you're looking to upgrade the wheels with good Ford Bronco wheel spacers, then look no further than BONOSS. BONOSS manufactures a huge range of Ford Bronco wheel spacers to fit the massive variety of different wheels and applications. Designed by professional mechanical engineers, these are made in an independent factory to the highest quality and are full of more than 66 SGS and TV test reports. BONOSS also offers a choice of wheel spacers from 1 inch to 50 millimeters. BONOSS Ford Bronco wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics, such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent thickness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal has good mechanical properties. Compared with industry standards, the cheap spacers that use low quality materials are not strong enough and will default and endanger driving safety under strong impact. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional Ford Bronco wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards. In addition, BONOSS Ford Bronco wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake pulling better, distribute in pedal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer where it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as regulators which can manually enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Also, BONOSS Ford Bronco wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives drive peace of mind.